so good together, like Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, that kind of vibe, a love that couldn't last forever. Explosive ride, you're dynamite, blowing out my heart so heavy. You moved on with your life and left me out. I thought that we would last forever, like Bonnie and Clyde. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ryan Michelle, and on today's video, I will only be cleaning the disaster areas of my home. I will be cleaning my bedroom, my bathroom counters, the kids' play area, and the kitchen. As you can see right here, the kids have completely destroyed this area. I don't know how, I don't even know when, but they did it. If you are new here, welcome, and I really hope you consider subscribing to my channel. I create cleaning, organization, and home decor videos. I am also a military wife and a stay-at-home mama and I upload every Monday and Friday at 8 a.m. And to all of my returning subscribers, I appreciate y'all so much. I thank you so much for coming back every week. I will also be doing another giveaway soon, so make sure you are following me on my Instagram at mommyanddecorate_Ryan. You do not want to miss this giveaway.
Sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So some type of way, I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right, things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight. So next I will be starting on my master bedroom. Guys,
I am so looking forward to fall. Like, I am so ready to change my bedroom, just everything. Let me know if you decorate for fall. I'm not just talking about the basic areas. I'm talking about the bedroom, the master bathroom. I mean, sometimes you have to add a touch of fall in every little space. A few weeks ago, I decluttered my home decor closet, and I asked y'all, what do you think was my favorite holiday to decorate for? And if you said fall, you are right. I love fall.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to.
This area near my nightstand is becoming very hectic. Like, it's just a lot going on, and I just can't seem to keep this space just clean. It's just clutter everywhere, and I'm thinking about investing in, a little desk for myself, because this is crazy and I'm just not liking how this looks anymore.
Lucky, 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 I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got free.
So when cleaning my husband's nightstand, the angles were really bad, so I was unable to add that clip to this video, but I did clean it.
I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Uh-oh. Lucky, 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 I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track.
I got a few video requests to see more routines and more day in the lives. Y'all, those videos will be coming soon. If you ever have any video requests, just hit me up in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram or message me on Facebook, guys. Just let me know.
Lucky, 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 I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance, take a chance.
If you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours. Worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two
So my sink area is probably one of the hardest areas to keep clean. This is all of my stuff except for my husband's lotion. But y'all, I just can't seem to keep this dang area clean.
Feels like the two of us are golden and gold, you see. What do you got? So take a chance, take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so close, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden and gold, you see. What do you got? So take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so close, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden. You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us.
So I'm using my Tidy Bowl cleaner to clean the sink area, and I'll be going behind that with some disinfectant wipes.
With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's
Oh, I hate cleaning in jeans. It's like so uncomfortable. So I tried to step outside of my comfort zone today, and it was okay, but I'd rather clean in my biker shorts or my tights.
all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Now moving on to this kitchen. I am so tired of cleaning this kitchen. My oldest daughter, this is her chore, but she is gone for the summer, so I'm stuck with this chore now, and I must say that I do not miss washing these dishes.
Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try. Yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know. They don't know. They don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them
I really hope this video has motivated you in some kind of way. If it has, or if you are up cleaning with me, drop some broom emojis in the comment section.
Yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. I'm here drowning in liquor, trying to feel a bit better. Don't know what you want with me. All the silence just kills me. 'Cause I don't know if you feel what you say. I can't tell when you're looking away. All I need is an answer. Are you in this for real? Giving time, 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 time. Giving time, 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 time. Are you giving time? One day you wanna hold me, and you hold it against me. I've been trying to drink water, but I'm back to the liquor. 'Cause I don't know if you love what you say. I can't tell when your eyes look away. All I need is an
So we have reached the end of the video, loves. I appreciate you guys watching. If you are still here with me right now, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me over on Instagram. I will be doing a giveaway soon. So for all of the information, you have to be following me on Instagram. So yeah, I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys back